Hello and welcome. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create and launch your Google searchers using Growtake AI. You might be see when you search, for example, best interior design company in Kolkata, yeah, whatever thing you search, you saw this sponsored, right? So this is not a recommendation, it's a pure advertisement who run Lipspace or other companies. Okay, and this is the search result. And also here you can see when we search this is the ad we first see, so might be people click, so that's why people run Google searchers. So how you can run Google searchers using Growtake AI, let's see. Okay, so now we are in the Growtake AI dashboard. Here you can see various type of ad platform we support. So for this video we run a search ads for a interior design company called Lipspace. Okay, how it's work. First, click on connect accounts because we need to connect our Google ad accounts. So just click and connect. It might be takes 5 to 10 seconds if you already have Google Ads account. Then click on brand context, because in this brand context, what is brand context is basically how we train AI. So that's why AI create, launch and manage our ads. Okay, so just paste their website or landing page and hit generate. Our AI will automatically track and feed the full data. That's it. Just paste URL, generate, that's it, your work is done. Now click on this advertising tab. In this tab, what we need to do, click on Google searchers because we want to run Google searchers. Click. Okay, now here is the first section. What is your goal? Send traffic or have any conversion, like you need leads or whatever. According to that you can select, or otherwise I select traffic. Next, so here what we need to advertise, just type. So for example, we want to advertise like this: best interior design company in Kolkata. This is the advertising when people search what this is the topic, and just hit generate. So our AI will automatically generate high converting ad copy, target keywords, everything. Just let's see. And here you can see some changes. Okay, so now first we see the ad combinations. Okay, click on ad combination. Now here you can see for A/B testing purposes, it's create 10 type of search ads. Okay, here you can see elevate your living space, top decor for every room, stylish room design idea. For example, people are click on your ads because of this is the high converting ad copy and headlines. Okay, here you can see the different type of headlines. Here you can see the description of the ads, and also the best part, here you can see your keywords. When I click on the edit section, here you can see when people search on this topic like lip space interior design Kolkata, best interior designers Kolkata, then they see your ad like this type of Google searchers. Okay, next, our targeting is done. So when people see your ads, when click, so where they goes? They goes your website or landing page, or you can attach your lead form also. Just turn on, it will attach your lead form. You need to type your budget. For example, we type 400 rupees for ad budget. Here it's reflect the result, like 1 to 4 might be clicked per day. We click itna aega monthly. Okay, according to your budget. Then in the optional tab, here is the main option, optimize for me. Just turn on optimize for me when your ad is launched. If anything need to change, like increasing ad budget, optimizing keyword, eliminate the keyword, our AI automatically do everything for you. And also here you can type your campaign name, or in this section here you can have a bid strategy option. You can choose that, or otherwise just hit the launch button. Our ad going to be launched. That's the simple. So for now we see exactly how we can run ads for interior design business. So when our ad is launched, so how we can see the result? So just click on the analytics tab. In this analytics tab, here you can see the Google ad option, Facebook ad option. This is the all-in-one dashboard. Here you can see if you connect any ads accounts, here it's shown here. So here, if you have already run ads, here you can see all the result, like how many clicks, impression, conversion, leads, everything in this dashboard. Or you need to change or anything, here is the option. Just click edit or optimize everything. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you really enjoy this video, hit the like button or click the subscribe, because every week we like publish some helpful content for you. And also, if you want to try Growtake AI, so just in the description section, on in the comment section, I already shared our official website link, like called growtech.com. Just go and try this with your brand, or if you want to someone who want to run ads for your client, you can do that. Okay, so thank you and see you in next another video. Bye.